Gala games at the time of this recording continues to hold within our Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.01643 and the 0.01376, which is that blue target area, and that is after getting rejected within a Fibonacci key area of resistance between the 0.02115 and the 0.0178, which is that red target area on the charts. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the next target areas that you need to pay attention to, basing my analysis on the EduTrade structures and the Fibonacci's. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, from the highs we made above the 0.02099, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside, terming that initial drop as the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that second wave, and then continued to see lower prices in the formation of that third wave, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the first wave to the low of that wave 1, then connecting the fib extensions to the high of the second wave, and the fib ratios 1:1 above the 0.01413 was my first target area, though you can see that we didn't quite fully maximize that target area here on the charts, though we saw a bit of a bounce after almost fully hitting that target area in what can easily turn out to be the formation of this wave 4. And if that is the case, then we should expect one more new low in the formation of that wave 5 to the downside to fully maximize our minimum target areas. And to just get the minimum target areas for this fourth wave, we can connect the Fibonacci's from the highs we made in the formation of the second wave to the lows we made in the formation of that wave 3. And the area that you need to pay attention to as an area of resistance lies between the fib level 0.5 and the 382, and that is between the 0.01653 and the 0.016. Within that red target area, we can expect resistance. So in case we get another bounce into this area in the next coming hours, there's a very high chance that we get rejected, starting one more pullback to the downside in the formation of that wave 5. Also remember that we can easily get a shallow movement, and that means that the high for this fourth wave could be in, and we are now working on the formation of that wave 5 to the downside. So in case we get one more new low, that should not come as a surprise, because based on the EduTrade structures, we should be expecting one more new low in the formation of that wave 5 before we can get a substantial low and then start another reversal to the upper side in the next coming days. And the worst case scenario can only play out if by any chance we break out of this blue target area in a more impulsive version. If that plays out, then there will be a very high chance that we easily get a nuke and get a reset of the lows we made below the 0.0118 in the next coming hours. So that is all that I expect here on the Gala Games chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.